a bucket which is half filled up. So it is half filled up. Then what will happen? I'll switch on the tap. Can this tap, can it fill up? Yes, it will fill up, no? What is there in that one? So already some water is present. So finally what happened after some time? So the moment I close switch, still again you calculate potential X, A, B. VA greater than Vx. So therefore charge will flow, and finally what do we get? We get a situation like this. Plus Q minus Q, plate X, Y, this is AB. So here so VAB equal to VXY equal to finally. So what was earlier? Earlier it was having some water, and finally what happened? Now that what the tap will do, it will fill up. So there's nothing. There's no rule that tap should not fill up. It should fill up only the empty bucket. Nothing. No, it can fill up. Like initially some water is present or not. What when the tap will fill up? No. Will it fully fill up this bucket? The tap? No. It's already having some initial charge Q by 2. So finally, how much will become? Is a Q by 2. Now it become Q. So what about the work done by the cell in this case? How much of charge it will push? You look at the initially, what was the charge of plate X? Q by 2. Some charge left this terminal, no? No. What is the work done by the cell? Before that, what charge actually flown through the cell? How to find out that? What charge has flown through the cell? So I'll just take help of bucket. Earlier there was 10 liter, now 20 liter. What does it mean? 10 liter entered. The same thing. I'll take help of the plate X here. Plate X, you take it. Plate X. What was the initial charge? Q by 2. Some charge entered. Charge entered, no? And finally it has become Q. So how much of Q equal to? Q by 2. So like this, I'm able to tell now what charge has flown through the cell. So work done by the cell. So work done by the cell. So let's write all the equation. Initially there was energy in the circuit. Work done by the cell. Final energy of the circuit plus heat generated. Initial energy of circuit. Work done by a cell. Final circuit means capacitor plus heat generated. Okay, initial energy in the circuit Q by 2 whole square by 2C. Work done by the cell Q into E. Final energy in the circuit Q square by 2C plus heat generated. So this will be Q square by 8C. This will be QE by 2. Q square by 2C plus H. So further E what you can write from the formula. From the formula, what you can write Vxy equal to Q by C, no? So therefore E equal to Q by C. So in place of E, what you can write? Q by C. Q by finally this one. So this will be what is H equal to Q square by 8C. So this much will be heat generated. See, already some charge is there. Again, if you add charge, yes, then the condition will arise. So this bucket concept, don't forget. This is something very important for us. See, like otherwise we'll find very difficult in analyzing. The charge q by 2 is there, then what will happen? Just bring the idea of the bucket. And now it can happen like this now.